Drinking ginger tea every morning has so many benefits, and no one is telling you this natural herb is easily found in the grocery store, and you can start reaping the benefits today. Now make sure to stick around to the end, where we will share ginger recipes and tell you who should not take ginger. Here are the benefits of a cup of ginger tea in the morning. 1. Boosts immune system. Ginger contains antioxidants and bioactive compounds that have immune-boosting properties. Starting the day with ginger tea may help fortify the immune system, making the body more resilient against common illnesses. 2. Aids digestion. Ginger has a long-standing reputation as a digestive aid. Drinking ginger tea in the morning can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, promoting efficient digestion and preventing issues like indigestion and bloating. 3. Eases morning sickness. For pregnant women experiencing morning sickness, ginger tea can be a natural remedy. Its anti-nausea properties can help alleviate the queasiness often associated with early pregnancy, providing a comforting start to the day. 4. Reduces inflammation. Morning stiffness and inflammation can be common, especially for individuals with arthritis or joint pain. The anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger may help reduce inflammation, providing relief and improved mobility. 5. Provides natural energy. Ginger tea can offer a natural energy boost without the jitters associated with caffeine. Its invigorating properties can help wake up the body and mind, making it a refreshing alternative to coffee. 6. Promotes weight management. If weight management is a goal, ginger tea can be a supportive addition to a healthy lifestyle. Its ability to increase the thermic effect of food and contribute to a feeling of fullness may aid in weight loss or maintenance. 7. Enhances cognitive function. The antioxidants in ginger are believed to have neuroprotective effects. Drinking ginger tea daily may help brain health, potentially reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. 8. Alleviates muscle soreness. For those who engage in physical activities or exercise regularly, ginger tea can be beneficial in reducing post-workout muscle soreness. Its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties may ease muscle discomfort. 9. Balances blood sugar levels. Ginger has been studied for its potential role in managing blood sugar levels. For individuals concerned about blood sugar regulation, incorporating ginger tea into the morning routine may be a proactive step. 10. Calming and stress relieving. The aroma and warmth of ginger tea can have a calming effect, providing a mindful and serene start to the day. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals looking to manage stress and promote mental well-being. 11. Heart health support. Ginger has been associated with cardiovascular benefits, including improved blood circulation and cholesterol reduction. Starting the day with ginger tea may contribute to overall heart health. 12. Natural breath freshener. Ginger's antimicrobial properties can help combat bad breath. Incorporating ginger tea into the morning routine not only provides internal benefits, but can also contribute to oral hygiene. 13. Hydration with flavor. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health. Choosing ginger tea as a morning beverage adds flavor to hydration, making it an enjoyable way to meet daily fluid intake goals. 14. Caffeine-free. Option for individuals looking to reduce their caffeine intake, ginger tea offers a caffeine-free alternative. It provides a warm and comforting beverage without the stimulating effects of caffeine. 15. Cultural and ritualistic significance. Many cultures have a tradition of starting the day with a warm beverage. Incorporating ginger tea into the morning routine can be a way to connect with cultural practices or establish a personal ritual that adds a sense of mindfulness to the day. Now, here are a few easy ways you can incorporate daily ginger tea. To make ginger tea, simply peel and slice fresh ginger, then steep the slices in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Optionally, add honey or lemon for flavor. Digestive aid. Chew on a small peeled ginger piece or drink ginger tea to alleviate digestive discomfort. This can be particularly helpful after meals. Cooking. For a savory addition to your dishes, mince or grate ginger and add it to stir-fries, soups, or sauces during the cooking process. Adjust the quantity based on your taste preferences. Cold and flu remedy. Create a soothing remedy by mixing grated ginger with honey and lemon juice. Consume this mixture during cold or flu symptoms for its immune-boosting properties. Ginger shots. Blend fresh ginger with lemon juice and a touch of honey. Strain the mixture and consume it as a concentrated health shot, providing a quick and potent ginger boost. Detox elixir. Create a detoxifying elixir by blending ginger with cucumber, mint, and lemon. Strain the mixture and drink it as a refreshing beverage to support liver health and detoxification. Adjust ingredient quantities based on taste preferences. Ginger capsules. Incorporate ginger into your routine with supplements, following the recommended dosage on the packaging for a convenient and measured approach to its health benefits. Smoothie booster. Incorporate ginger into your morning smoothie by peeling and grating a small amount. Blend it with your favorite fruits, yogurt, and a liquid base for a nutritious kick topical pain relief. Make a ginger paste by blending fresh ginger with a small amount of water. Apply the paste to the affected area for the natural relief from inflammation and pain. Infused water. Add ginger slices to a pitcher of water, along with other fruits like lemon or cucumber. Allow it to infuse in the refrigerator for a refreshing and healthful beverage. While ginger tea is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts, there are certain situations where individuals should exercise caution or avoid it. Pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of ginger tea, as excessive ginger intake may be associated with an increased risk of miscarriage. However, small amounts of ginger used for culinary purposes are generally considered safe. People on blood thinners. Ginger has natural blood-thinning properties, and individuals taking blood-thinning medications, like warfarin, should consult with their healthcare provider before consuming ginger regularly to avoid potential interactions. Those with gallbladder issues. If you have a history of gallbladder problems, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before consuming large amounts of ginger, as it may stimulate the release of bile. People with certain medications. Individuals taking medications for diabetes or high blood pressure should check with their healthcare provider, as ginger might interact with these medications and affect their effectiveness. Before surgery, if you have a surgery scheduled, it's recommended to stop consuming ginger at least 2 weeks before the scheduled date, as it may interfere with blood clotting. People with sensitivity or allergy. Individuals who are sensitive or allergic to ginger should obviously avoid ginger tea. While the benefits of ginger tea are numerous, it's essential to note that individual responses can vary. As with any dietary or lifestyle change, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially for those with specific health conditions or concerns. Overall, enjoying a cup of ginger tea each morning can be a simple and enjoyable habit that contributes to overall well-being. If you learned something new and enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe.